Easy. Slow down. Let them have it a little bit. Let it go loose.
You killed it.
Yeah, they're killing. They think they have, anyhow. What you got, boys? What you got, Miss Tilly? Y'all ain't supposed to be chewing the rope. There's a rag down there for that. You don't want to get in there, TT? All right, go with it. Careful. Slow down. Let them catch it. Catch up to you. Oh.
Like running a 50-pound fish.
Yeah. All right, let them have it.